Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a house cleaning here this morning for a realtor who's doing a listing. So we are getting it all ready for the pictures for him. So let me walk around and show you what we got. Alright, so at the back of the property here, this is like a duplex, so we're going to be doing half from here over the side of the house, walkways to the front door, on the front of the building, and right over to where that downspout goes down. It's got a lot of dirt and algae, so we'll clean it up, brighten it up, and should be in good shape. We got a lot of battery acid here on the pad where you used to park the golf cart, so we'll work on that, see if we can get that out, or at least lighten it up quite a bit so it doesn't look so bad. Okay, so that's our project here for this morning. It's going to be a hot one, so I'll try to get this one knocked out early. It's not much. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Walking around and show you what it looks like now. Okay, so here's the back. You can see where we stopped right there. It's a good before and after. These rust stains, they wouldn't come out at all, so we have a different chemical we'll try on that. Okay, and down along the front. So it looks good. It's all drying up, so much better, clean and bright. All right, this is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We will see you at the next job.